Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to get unbanned from Omegle with one settings. So for that settings you need Microsoft Edge. Most of the people have Microsoft Edge installed on their PC. If you don't have, I will provide the link in the description box and you need to install it. So this is the Microsoft Edge software, that is browser, Microsoft Edge browser. So let's begin the video. Friends, these tricks will work only in the Microsoft Edge browser. So I am using Microsoft Edge in the entire video. Here in the normal browser I will search omegle. You can see here I got banned. Even I will show you by clicking. See, I got banned here. But I will provide you one trick so that you can get unbanned from Omegle. So in the upper right corner you can see three dots. Click on that. So here you need to click the third option, that is new in private windows. Friends, you can see here now I am on my private window. So here you need to search Omegle. See, here I got Omegle. Friends, now I am on private windows. You can see here in the right corner in private. So here you can see it is showing banned, but I will click and you can see here I was not banned. See, here it is properly showing. So you can see here I was not banned here. I can use Omegle. So I will search BTS TikTok. So I will start the video. I will click on the checkbox. Now confirm and continue. Now I will allow my cameras and microphone. I will keep my hand. You can see here Omegle is properly working. This is live proof. So you can see here this is properly working. I will stop. Friends, this is live demo for you. I think this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.